Okay, this one we're going to call it my sort criteria, okay, or RNG sort criteria, this one. Then here we're going to do the following. We're going to see sort KPI. So what is the selected KPI? I'm going to select offset. Okay, I'm gonna check in the offset. This one, rows is 0 and the columns is provided by the sort by, exactly this one. Okay, and then I'm going to do this. We have the values here. You can see sort KPI. If I go in here, you see that the sort KPI now is 1. Okay, if I'm gonna change sort by 2, this is going to change 267 here, KPI 2. So we're going to do this. We're going to here select the selected KPI. Then I want to have the unique. So I'm going to do the following. I'm going to this plus this one divided by a big number. I'm going to fix the column B. Okay, so I'm sure that nothing happened. Okay, if there are unique values. Okay, some that have the same value, I'm going to just separate. If you remember, I did this before. Another example for project management when I wanted to identify the first top risk. You know, if you have some that are similar, you need something to distinguish. You can use this number and divide this. For a very big number, you just give. Okay, this one, if these two are the same, this of course will be the first to be selected because this divided this number is greater than this one, or vice versa, sorry. 2 divided this number is position, again in position 1. I'm gonna close this, here we are. So I'm gonna get this. I want now to get the absolute value, absolute reference to these ranges. Okay, and sort order is 5 here. So here we have the KPI for these products. We get the unique one. Now we sorted these numbers according to the sort order. So I'm going to select large here. If it was 2, I'm going to get the small. So then here I'm going to get the position of my product. Okay, I'm going to check match. Okay, lookup value, this one in which array, in this array exactly. Okay, so I'm going to get this one in this array. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna drag this, so I'm going to get this as it is, like this. Now we have this one. Okay, so now we know that the position of this, when I get this selected KPI, which is number 2, the position with the sorted one is this. So I'm gonna change the sorted order. I'm going to do this. Okay, we will see that when we're going to create our dashboard. Okay, so now we get the position. If I have ascending, descending order, okay, and we get the position. So this one will be in position 13. So if I want to show, okay, this one, this is position 13, so I'm going to show this one basically, the first. It depends where I am. Okay, we'll see that when we're going to create our dashboard. Okay, let's see the next video.